See, no easy. See, said that. Said Zaddy. Zaddy. $800 glass, I'm a Zaddy. Hey, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. Alright, I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do. You got a bitch, yeah, bitches saying, hey, they go mad for this dick. Lay their baby daddy for this dick. Tell lies to their moms for this dick. Fuck their granddaddy for this dick. You understand me? Man, mad man, mean man, bad man, clean. You understand me? I deal with everybody who must look nice in a life. You understand me? Drink a one magnum for you. Babes! Babes! Bring me whistle and grab a come give me a place. If you don't find it, look in my pants pocket when I take off this morning. Canada walk what? How the fuck this? Oh, somebody will leave that too. You know the statement already, you know. You understand what I deal with? Stronger now, yeah. Say anything? Mommy! Jeez. Never fear, your daughter is here. I have a magnum to give my mother, and I just show the boys him turn from right there, so mommy, I'm name remember. I have your magnum. I bring it come give you personally when time done. And a shatter, a compare my mother. Make sure say you feel good. My mother, me not even a cuss no further. I just make my girl bring me come drop it off with me job because I'm fuck up right now. Yeah, that's how I can't believe me messed up like that. I forgot to send my mother the thing. Wagwan, man. Give thanks, blessings, man. You don't know, yield to the Most High, right? Right? You see him, yes, sir.
And his love?
Yeah, his love, man. And his majesty.
Good to your work today.
Yeah? If you give me some of your work on idea, man.
Work?
Oh, you mean? Me take off clean clothes and put on dirty one too, man. Yeah, man. Alright.
Right now, trying to put another foot together right now.
Alright. We're ready, man. Anytime you're ready. Yeah?
From here to John.
Yes, man. Me ready, man, to move anytime, man. Yes, man. Work can't too much. I mean, like, look good. I don't say, I want to wear 3 chain. Or 5. Fuck down that, eh? Toronto, big up on yourself. Dog, more money. I mean, I sell body. I mean, I suck no wood feet need a daddy. You understand me? You mad? Yo, right now, me I sell the vibrator them, you know. The lipstick them, you know. You don't know, say, vibrator them, I feel girl them punani. The girl them punani, I want to come buy them out. You understand me? I eat this now. I start sell fuck tie. So I start look so now. Yo, you are what you sell. Babes! Hey! Carry the lipstick they can't give me now. I say I buy some. I say, hold it, daddy. Right now the shipment are coming. When? Monday, it'll land. And daddy, make me tell you something. Them up on your pussy feel good, daddy. Yeah, man, well, listen. Right now, me I sell them with PD. PD. Pretty than pan it. The pretty than lipstick them me I sell right now. $40 for one. Wait, voila. Dear. Yes. See there? Right now. Lower price. Hey, me have one a pussy need. With me pan it. Wanna put a little pitch that pretty pan it. When you not vibrate it on a pussy, I wanna see me. Eh? Me ship go anywhere, London, everywhere. Wanna buy them from me to Bomba. A salesman man turn you know. You know, some going there, some forgot to bring a bumbo class scissors the other day. You see me a deal. When I go and take in the blood class strips. When I come back, I show you how to turn it on and sitting. Right now, one of them have a $35. If me have a ship you can give you. If I in here so like America, $5 extra. If I we out so, a $10 extra. BM. Hey, hear me? Right now, I go somewhere and think I want blood clear lipstick and buy it, get Stacy, you know. And wake up in the middle of the blood clear night I hear. So me say how the bumbo cloud this take place in my house. When me look, now she and this pink business there. Why? What there? Me make ling test you out. Yeah man. And the ship works. Hey, mom and then in the bed and I saw down in pussy with this. You understand? I saw down in whole line pussy with you know daddy. Me say oh this a girl easy. I embarrass me like that. Hey. Hey, girl, hey. Hey, girl, don't do that. Hey, girl, don't do that. Girl, don't do that. Girl, come here. Hey. Hear what me I say? Paper. Hear me now. I want to know if you buy them from the done. As a salesman, I have to stand up and talk. This is what I sell. This is actually a prototype. I'm not selling this one. You feel me? The one I got on pussy already. You got on ling pussy. Because what do you mean to have to know what the whole fucking shreps is about with this thing? Because you see this in a bed a blood class scream like Bumbo Class Stadium. So me don't know what it's all about. What I did was I take it and put it on ling pussy. Amma. You understand now, we are there? Yeah, daddy. Let me tell you, daddy. I couldn't believe it, daddy. Daddy, you have to get one of them for your girl pussy clit. Right now, the girl them must. Oh no, girl. Oh no, not tired. Thinking mouth them are blowing out on the face. Green arm. This, all you need is to just drop some baby oil in the betwixt the pussy. Let it drain down. And then you see me idea? That's what here one now, no Batman can't come buy them here from me. No, me not sell them here. Only straight man alone me sell them here. We are going to buy it for use for the girl pussy clit. You understand what I deal with? Because if you want Batman, you know, you can buy it too, but now come to me, come buy it from me. Send one girl, come buy it. What you do as a Batman, you turn your hands so. Bumbo clot. See? Me mash up your sitting. Ross clot, I say. Oh, right. You lock on it so. Then you cover it back for your Batman them. And then you catch it betwixt your body hole so. Woo! You understand me? I enjoy your bumbo clot self on it, daddy. Because you don't know how you want everything, you know. You don't have no pussy clip, but you know you don't have no pussy clip. Bumbo clot. See? Me mash up it to bumbo clot. Oh. You made them mash up, mama chew me out today, you know. Bumbo clip, hey! Listen. Them a go lick like nothing, dog. Eh? Yo, I sell we I sell. You understand me? I sell we I sell. Una girl, una can come buy it for una body friend them. You understand me? But no batty fish don't come over here so can ask me if you know blood clot vibrator to sell them. This is the lipstick. Why I went this way for you ladies? It's stylish. You understand me? And you could have, you're there anyway, in the bathroom, in a parent-teacher meeting, at the beach, church, any blood clot where you're there. You can solder down your pussy. Soldering away the young girl want. Soldering, soldering, soldering away the young girl want. Soldering, daggering. Soldering away the young girl want. Soldering, soldering. So when me I try telling her anyway, right now, you see this? If your pitney them come in your room, come see it, them think it's a lipstick. They not fuck with it, they not trouble it. You and Christ alone at night time and the blues them. Poor in the hub, have blood clot specials going on. Just a watch video and fuck a go so. Watch the video them. Take your pussy in your own hand and just zap it down. As me say, $35 for one. I pretty. Come on, I pretty. Me put my picture on this.
Yeah, you want to put your picture?
I mean, me put my picture on this. I make it girl and them come in on my face. All of them just have in on my face. I come so.
Yeah, your picture would be.
Yeah. Yes, man. Yes, man. Yeah.
Your picture would be perfect.
Oh, I mean, babes.
Yeah.
And the whole a pretty tongue, you know. So it's like when girl, when I buy this, for pretty tongue goes up on a pussy. Yeah, that's a name like a blood clot, idiot. Yeah, that's a name. Babes.
This good your fuck. When him can't bother, I hit me run for. Yeah.
You really feel like if you come right to contact her?
You hear, ladies?
Mind me put out your bumper clot. You hear me?
You can't do that to me pink sitting.
Sorry, dear, me buy you.
It keep me happy when you're not around.
Me sorry, dear, me buy you. Wish me back down. I'm tired, me did tired. I'm tired, me did tired. I come here, come for work. Me gonna leave how much in tile.
Yeah, the tired I did there.
Yeah? But seriously, just love to fuck Thumper. All the while, all the time, me dead asleep. Yeah, man. Yo, right now. Babes, thanks for your glasses. See? Go and go kiss the vibrator.
No, not kiss it. The only thing I want to kiss it. Yeah.
You just rub it on your pussy alone, Stacey. What am I gonna do with Stacey, people? What am I gonna Stacey, show them the product. Take off
get it in a week. See it here? I'm gonna turn it on too. It not give me a joke, me think say a lipstick when I first get it.
Samantha, walk on. Hey, she wants to say I put lipstick on mouth, but babes a lipstick.
Yeah, me have one pink jacket, so me want it to match. So me see this pink lipstick in my bag. Me just take it out and I rub it on my lip. Oh my God, me say, babes, what is? Oh, nothing now come out of it.
Babes.
When babes turn it on.
Me I come here, I come to my life.
So you not go bite off of this if you want to bite off of this, sir? You don't think so?